Hi guys, in this video let us find out the 11 best DSLR cameras under 50,000 rupees which have been prepared for you to perfectly capture your sweet memories in your budget. Many new changes and technology features have been introduced lately by all digital camera brands in India, and thus we have reviewed only the latest products and presented for you in this video. 5 key points to consider before buying the DSLR camera. R1. Quality. Only buy quality things as they last long, as in case of camera look for something that gives superior image. 2. Rate. Don't buy products that don't suit your pocket. Also, check if the price mentioned is worth the products or not. And your usability and purpose. Do you want to use for commercial or as a hobby? Based on your purpose, choose the best that suits your budget. 3. Lens. The main focus of a camera is its lens. Many cameras available in the markets have a wide range of changeable cameras lens available with them to capture different angle shots perfectly. 4. Storage. As many people out there are passionate photographers, to fulfill your needs, look for a camera that has larger storage files. 5. We have considered focus point, processor used in the camera, along continuous shots click option available in the camera, and video resolution, while reviewing all the 11 best cameras in India. 1. Canon EOS 1300D 18MP Digital SLR Camera. Added with all the latest and trendy features, it leads the competition and is regarded as one of the best DSLR cameras till now. It has also made sharing every image captured with its Wi-Fi enabled a feature which is easily connected to Android devices. But what makes it capture such stunning pictures? The answer is its 18.0 megapixel APS-C size sensor. Low light sensitivity is also offered. This product surely offers a cinematic experience with its quality. Pros. The lenses are interchangeable, sharing option is included using a smartphone. It has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. Cons. Video recording can go up to 1080p at 30 fps only. Just an overall average performance. EOS 1300D is just an upgraded version of its sibling EOS 1200D. It has got a better resolution in terms of its previous version, EOS 1200D. This time Wi-Fi has also been added, which is a very good feature keeping the new generation in mind. 2. Nikon D3 digital camera. Every stunning detail of the view is captured by this camera, giving us major memories. Its lightweight body makes it easier to carry on different places. D3 has an image sensor of 24.2 MP and a high-resolution technology. Nikon D3 also lets you share your pictures with the world. Snap Bridge, which is a unique feature related to this device, upload your pictures automatically to your phone even if the camera is switched off. The ISO range has also been enhanced in this camera, 100-25600. This works well in low light also. It also lets you connect via Bluetooth. Pros. Great image quality. Enhanced dynamic range features are easy to use and control AF is easy and not noisy. Cons. Wi-Fi is not included. Flash is weak in comparison to its previous model. This product is a value for money and is for professional photographers. Individuals with a great knowledge about cameras prefer this product only. The quality of the body design is greatly with its sleek design technology to easily carry it wherever you go. 3. Canon EOS 1500D Digital SLR Camera. Pros. User interface is intuitive. It is good for photography. Lightweight and slim design. Picture quality is amazing. Cons. Not good for videography. The headphone jack is not provided. Canon has brought a great model and a camera in the form of 1500D. Although it lacks some features, but its qualities like the user-friendly interface and many other overcome them. So, if you are a beginner and would like to try out a DSLR camera to enhance your photography skills, buy this product, which is easily the best of the best DSLR camera in India for beginners under 25,000 rupees price bracket. 4. Nikon D5 300 24.2 MP Digital SLR Camera. Pros. Its resolution is best, comfortable to hold and use. The lens has a decent performance, working is quite fast. Cons. The headphone jack is again not supported, little difficult to use in hard sunlight. Nikon has done a great job with this product and has added many latest features making it much attractive than previous one. 5 Nikon D3 300 24.2 MP digital SLR camera. Pros. It is lightweight that makes it easy to carry and use. Very good ISO performance, extended battery life. The lens is much stabilized optically, thus giving good shots. Cons. Features are not much upgraded compared to D3 200. Pentamirror viewfinder is much smaller. 6 Canon EOS 6 Canon EOS 200D 24.2 MP digital SLR camera. A 4.5-star rating product which doesn't leave a single chance to amaze its users with its features. Its features include accurate focusing, compact body shape and LCD touchscreen with vari-angle specificity. This model is perfect for low-light conditions with indoor settings also. One of the rare qualities it showcases is the live view mode, in which it can easily capture its object. Pros. Performance is fast and focused. The touchscreen is vari-angle, very light, even the lightest DSLR camera, easy to use with guided user interface. Cons. Only a single command can be given at a time. The video has a limited version to 1080p. It is definitely worth buying it, as it combines many fun movie shooting functions which are appropriate for photography lovers. 7 Sony A7iii 24.2 MP digital SLR camera. 4D focus. Wait for what, really? Yes, for making everything look so perfect in our photo albums, it has a 4D technology. Also has a phase detection system with 79 high-density AF points. Sony included many new and amazing features in this camera, like high image quality and wide ISO range. Pros. Constant shooting mode with the fast pace, stable and reliable, accurate focusing, excellent viewfinder. Cons. Touch screen not supported. LCD not smooth with its fast and efficient technology. This product has gasped many people out there because of its intuitive use. What makes it different is its tiltable screen and smart viewfinder system technology. Its altering photo technology makes the product worth it, and thus it is a value for money and should definitely go in your cart. 8 Canon EOS 750D DIGIC6 image processor. Click effortlessly with the new invention of Canon, that is EOS 750D. It's a scene intelligent camera for smart people like you. This is a perfect choice for DSLR lovers, as it carries even the minute details of the view. Pros. AF system is very fast. The touchscreen is fast and is fully articulating. Affordable speed is quite good. Cons. Dynamic range is poor. It is much difficult to focus on moving objects in live view. Intelligent viewfinder, creative movie modes, photo companion app, easy shooting modes, smoother results, fast connectivity, and a great process is all well regarded in this DSLR, making it one of the few best products made till now. 9 Nikon D5500 DSLR camera. Nikon D5500 is a truly inspiring product with the capability of creating something better. Vari-angle display and ultra-sharp capture keep it in the limelight. It combines three most important features of a camera into one, that is a great image sensor, a great lens and a great image processing. This is a premium DSLR camera and will cost you more than 80,000 rupees. Pros. Wi-Fi support is given. Battery life is quite good. Touchscreen and selfie-friendly, detects face for the best shot possible. Cons. The image is not well stabilized. A wide range of view is not possible. Enhanced picture control characteristics are something really amazing about this product. You should definitely go for this product if thinking of buying a decent camera at a good price. 10 Sony A7iii LCE6000Y 24.3 MP digital SLR camera. A mirrorless camera with many decent features introduced by Sony recently. A6000 has a 3-inch LCD screen with full HD video recording facility. NFC and Wi-Fi connectivity is also there. It maintains its family ritual with its distinct NEX design. The processing power of this product is incredible too. Pros. Perform well in low light conditions. Also a great design. Specifications are well marked. Connectivity with other devices is high and good. Cons. Very slow to start. LCD could have been much better, as Sony has done a great job with this camera. It's definitely a worth buying product. It stands well in the competition. 11. Nikon D5600 digital camera. This DSLR has been loaded with a whole lot of features like a 24MP sensor, a dynamic range of 14 EV, video recording can be done at 60 frames per second, etc. Pros. World-class ISO performance and autofocus system is included that detects phase long-term battery life, no buffering. Cons. The viewfinder doesn't cover 100% area, works slow while connected to Bluetooth. Not much improvement has been done in this model as compared to its previous version D5500, but it doesn't mean new features have not been added or they are not amazing. It has a robust image quality which captures excellent images in different scenarios. Why do we recommend these DSLR cameras? All the DSLR cameras listed in this video are highly recommended by us because they have been thoroughly evaluated and analyzed for their features before getting into this list. Many factors have been considered to prepare this list to offer every detail you admire in a camera, whether you want to buy for commercial purpose or for a hobby. That's all from this video. Next time when you buy a DSLR camera, keep in mind the 6 tips we just shared in this video and buy any of the top DSLR camera that are discussed in this video. For more similar videos, please subscribe to our channel BillionShoppers TV. Before you go, check the best DSLR camera in India list given in the description below.